What's up, guys? For those who seen my other video, when I had got this whole sound system for like 20 bucks at the garage sale, I just went and picked up some scrap wood to do my box. Cause you know the other box I had bought, for the got that these came in, I bought from the garage sale was wet, so I just took these out the box, and I'm gonna build like a little. I don't know if I'm gonna do a sealed or ported yet. Might be a little ported box. Because I don't know if I'm going to keep it or sell it. I might build it just to sell it. Or I might throw it in my little work center. So yeah, this is the wood I bought. 3 like little long pieces of wood. It's not that wide. I believe it was scrap wood or like for shelving and stuff like that. But it was on sale. It was like $149 a piece. So I should end up paying like a little over $5 for this wood to build this box. And you know, I believe I already got like screws and the liquid nail and the glue and stuff, put it together. So I'm just gonna do that for this box. It shouldn't take this much. It's 2 8-inch kicker subwoofers. Gotta do a little box for that, and then yeah, I'm gonna update you on that video when I get done building the box. I may do it today. I'm gonna start cutting the pieces. I might pop it together today. I might not, so I really don't know. But yeah, stay tuned for the box build, and I'll see you guys later. All right. Hold on, guys. Just finished cutting the pieces for my board. Yep, had to use the jigsaw. So yeah, I'm going here. Probably, I don't know if I'm doing it now or later, but anyway, you'll see it in the video. I'm gonna pop it together. Liquid nail, pop it together, let it dry. I don't know if I'm wrapping it black carpet, which is I got some in there, or if I'm gonna just go ahead and paint it. I don't know. I'll probably just go ahead and paint it. I don't know, depending on what I gotta find that carpet. So yeah, stay tuned, and I'll turn it back on when I get everything together. All right. What's going on, guys? I didn't have any wood glue or liquid nail around the house like I thought I did, so I had to go pick up some from Menards. Usually I get the liquid nail, the heavy duty, but I seen this up there. That's for like what, $345, $349, something like that. So I went on ahead and picked this up to get this a try. I mean, it's only a box for 2 8s, but you know, I done built big boxes like 415s, 612s with liquid nail, and never had a problem with the box coming loose or breaking or nothing like that. And I know a lot of people out there says better wood glues like Tight Bond 2, other glues like Gorilla Glue, but I've been using liquid nail for a long time, since the 90s, and you know, I never had any problem with it coming loose. And like I said, I know there's probably better glues out there, but I stick with what I know. You know, if something work, I tend to stick with that until it show me otherwise. But I mean, it's inexpensive, and it does the job. So, you know, and you get a big tube of it for like, $3. Some places it's cheaper, like Walmart is like $2.50 or something like that. But like I said though, I don't have any problem with it, so I'm gonna stick with it. But yeah, I keep you guys updated on my build, and I'll holler at you guys a little bit later when I can put the box together. But yeah, I was just showing you guys what I use to put the box together. I usually use just like regular or heavy duty liquid nails, and then I also put I got staples and screw. I staple, glue it, and screw it, and you won't have no problem with the box ever coming loose. Like I said, I did big bills of bracing, and I never had that problem. So yeah, enough talking about this glue, and let's get to the box build. All right. Yeah, got the box built. Just set them inside the. Didn't screw anything in yet, cause I don't know if I'm gonna wrap it with carpet. You know, I thought I had some carpet laying around, but I'll have to go like buy some or order some. But what I was doing to make it like a quick inexpensive project, I probably pick up a can of you know, Menards be having a lot of that spray paint on sale. Probably get like a Rust-Oleum flat black. You know, like one can. I think they got a can like that is like ×2 of the coverage. And it got like a paint and prime in it. I'll probably just get one can of that. One should do this box. This box pretty small. Probably look big on camera, but it's real small. It's a ported box for 2 8-inch Kicker CVRs. Yep, got the port at the bottom. So yeah, pretty much probably gonna sound loud to be 2 8s. I could have did a seal box, but I figure, you know, why not go port it? And yeah, I haven't put the drilled the hole in the back for the wire yet. I'm gonna drill a hole back there, then I'm gonna paint it, and then I'm gonna run my wire through there and set it up. Do it that way. Yeah, that's the box, guys. So yeah, get back to you when I go pick up this spray paint. Then I'll show you guys how it turned out. All right. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that because of the sun, but I put the first light coat on there, and I didn't really bother like setting it down because, like I said, I'm gonna sell this box, or you know, or I'm gonna throw it in my car. But either way it go, I'm gonna end up selling it because that's what I did. I bought it to sell, but a lot of people, you know, they want to hear the stuff before they buy. So I might end up I'm gonna post it for sale, and then if I don't sell it in a certain time, I'm just gonna install it. But I'm gonna keep it up for sale, and then if they come and buy it, they'll be able to hear it. So either or. Yeah, these box like this MDF wood or particle board, it sucks up the paint. But like I said, I'm gonna put probably like 3 or 4 coats on there, maybe 5. Cause I put this first coat on and I still got a lot of paint left in the can. Cause like I said, the box is small, so it should work out for me. And then there's only $2.98. You know, I could have wrapped it in carpet or put bed liner on it. But like I said though, I got this system for cheap, and I'm trying to make money. You know, you spend a lot of money putting it into stuff that people don't want to buy because they don't care if it's in bed liner or not. They just want the sound. So I'm just trying to get the box covered and get it sold. This is my vehicle. Somehow with a bed liner, the box, or wrapped it in carpet or something like that. But sanded it down and you know, rounded the edges off, all that stuff. But ain't no need for all that. So let me let this dry, and then I'm gonna turn it back on, and then when I finish putting the coats on there, because it don't make no sense to keep filming after all the coats. But I'm gonna show you guys the end results so we can wrap this thing up and then be done with this video. All right, later. Hey, what's going on, guys? Yeah. Now for the speaker, the speaker wires, what I usually do is I drill a hole through the box, put a knot in there. I drill it through there with a unibit, like this. Unibit on the drill a hole through there. Don't drill it too big where the wire go right through there. Drill it where it can be like tight. So the tighter it is, the better, so you won't have no leakage in the box. But what I usually do to make sure I don't get leakage in the box from the hole, I tie a knot in the wire, put it through there, then I tie a knot in it, then I hot glue gun, glue it right there. Then I pull it real tight, hold it for like 10-15 seconds till the glue dry, then I let it go. And then I silicone around the knot to make sure you don't have no air leaks. And you can put a little bit dab on the outside too, but I mean, once you do the inside, it means you're pretty much not gonna get any air leak. Did it a million times. And for the wire, I use, because the only thing I had around here, I use, what gauge is this? 10 gauge. I mean, I know it's a little excessive for 2 8-inch subwoofers, but that's all I had around here. Then it wasn't that much. Didn't need no long piece, so yeah, I did that. Yep. So let me get that glued in here, sealed up, and then I'll show y'all the final product.